Ever found yourself staring at a Docusign document you just sent, wishing you could tweak that one little thing you missed? Let's clear up why you can't directly edit a document in Docusign once it's been sent out for signatures. Docusign's primary goal is to ensure document integrity and maintain a clear audit trail. The key to editing is actually before you send the document. When you're in the prepare stage, you're in control. This is where you add all your text fields, signature boxes, and other interactive elements. These fields are the only parts that can be modified by the recipients, and even by you. Before sending, think of these fields as fill-in-the blanks. Once you click send, Docusign essentially locks the document. This ensures that no one, including you, can tamper with the original content after it's been sent for signature. This creates a legally binding record. If you need to make changes after sending, you'll typically have to void the envelope, which cancels the signing process. Make the edits to the original document on your computer, and then re-upload and resend it through Docusign. Docusign tracks every change to a document, including when a document is voided. So, the lesson here is to double-check everything in the prepare stage, because once it's out there, it's locked down. Plan ahead and get the interactive fields right before you send.